everybody, welcome back to Huson Why. My name's Matilda.
And my name's Ben.
And today we're making some wax crayons.
That's right, Matilda, so this is another craft video. So we've been wanting to do this for a while, so what we're going to do is we've got some wax crayons.
We'll chop all this into
Yep,
pieces.
we got them from Amazon, so what you can use kind of old wax crayons, you don't need any more, but we don't really have many old ones. So we bought some off Amazon, they're really cheap, just some cheap ones. So we've got the wax crayons. Matilda, you all up some moulds?
So we got these Lego man, and we got a huge Lego man and some little ones.
Exactly. So we've got them ones, what are they?
They're fruits.
Fruits. We've got that one, what are they?
They're like bears.
Bears.
Teddies.
Bunny rabbits.
Teddies.
Teddies. What's that one, Matilda?
These are all like paw prints, stars, bows, love hearts, flowers, bears.
That one?
And these are all animals.
All animals. So we also got some...
And paw prints.
Paw prints. So these are like sea life ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a big mermaid tail as well.
A mermaid tail there.
We got some Legos.
Some Legos, that's right. So the plan is, we're going to use these moulds. We're going to use the oven to melt the wax. So we're going to chop up the wax crayons. So we'll chop the wax crayons up into small parts and we'll drop them into the moulds. Okay. So I'm just going to use a craft knife just to cut the paper off and then chop up the wax crayons. We're going to put the oven on at 130 degrees. We've got a couple of baking trays. We'll put the moulds on them and we'll see how we go. It's our first ever time, isn't it, Matilda? So we don't really know what we're doing, do we? But we're going to give it a go and see how it turns out, okay?
Can I feel that?
Okay, so we've got the wrappers off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colours there. So we've not used them all, we've still got tons left. So we've got 6 of each colours. Tilda's pulled all the wrappers off. I trimmed them off with that craft knife. That worked really well, didn't it,
Because
Tilda?
it was really big.
Yeah, really big.
Really sharp.
Really sharp. So the plan is now to get my knife, another craft knife, another blade, chop them up into small pieces, and then Matilda's going to drop them into all the moulds to try and fill the moulds up with the colours. We're going to do individual colours to start with, but then we're going to try out a rainbow colour out at some point, Matilda.
Yeah, so we'll test it on one, then we're going to do, if it works, we'll do it on the mermaid tail.
Perfect. Okay, so that's that done. We're going to preheat the oven now to 130 degrees, get it ready, get our trays ready, and start chopping some wax up. Okay, so we've got 2 trays here with a white parchment paper on. I'll put the parchment paper on just to protect the moulds underneath more than anything. Okay, so I'm going to preheat the oven to 130 degrees. So it's that one there. We've got 2 trays we can use. Let's go cut some wax. Okay, so we've done our first moulds. Matilda's done these fruit ones. So some of them are a little bit okey pokey, but look good.
These are not the fruit ones, some of them are fruit.
Some of it, yeah, so they are fruit. Right, so we're going to put the mould onto the tray. Just watch that knife there, Tills. Carefully, carefully, carefully. Perfect. And then we've done a few Lego pieces. So Till, you want to lift that one onto the tray as well?
We've mixed the purple into some of them, but this one's not been mixed.
Exactly. So let's go over to the oven. The oven's preheated to 130 degrees. So it's this bottom one down here, Matilda. So we're going to pop them in. And we think, because they're quite small, it might take about 8 minutes. So we'll keep an eye on them and see how they get on. Okay, so we've got the couple of moulds in the oven now. So we're going to prepare the next. What we're doing next, Matilda? What we're doing next?
We're gonna do the Lego man for Oliver. The little one.
The little Lego man. We're going to do 2.
One.
Just.
He wants one.
Well, do you want one as well?
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to do 2. We're going to do the multicoloured the Lego men. See how they come out. Whichever one we're doing, Matilda.
We're gonna do this one.
This one. So this is the animal one.
Paw prints.
Paw prints. There's a lion. Is that a hippo?
Yeah.
Little teddy bear. Another lion. So we'll do them now, and then we'll get them in the oven as well. Okay, they've been in about 10 minutes now till we're going to check. Can you open the door?
Yep.
From this
I've
side.
got my oven gloves on.
Go on, pull it.
Does it go
No, this side.
Oh.
Okay, so they're looking good. Let's have a tea towel.
I'm gonna have a check.
Yeah, I think they're fully melted, aren't they?
The water.
Yeah, the water. Should we get them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
White water.
Because it all melts down. Shut the door. So they've really melted down. Now don't touch that tray. It's really hot. So I think they've melted. It's gone really watery. Obviously them moulds there, because we didn't get them to the top, because they're quite small, aren't very full. But we'll just see what they're like once they've cooled down. Okay, second batch ready to go in the oven. We've got 2 Lego men, got 10 Lego bricks, mermaid tail, and some Sea World stuff. So we'll put them in and see how they come out. Okay, so we've got a little plastic tub full of wax. I'm going to try do it in 30-second blasts in the microwave, try and get it melted down. So I'm going to put it onto a plastic plate in the microwave and see how we get on. Okay, total failure with the wax in the microwave. Obviously microwaves use water to heat stuff up. I'm thinking maybe some waxes do and don't have water in them. But that red definitely, it got warm, the plate got warm. But it did not melt whatsoever. So for now we'll have to stick with the other one. So we'll have a look at them in a minute, get them out of the moulds and see what they look like. Okay, so the first batch we did, the small mould and the little Lego mould, they are fully set now. The other ones are cooling at the moment. So what we're going to do is, Matilda's going to pop these out in a second, Tilda. Wait a minute.
We're going to test them on some paper.
Test it on a piece of paper. Okay, let's move the camera down. Okay, Tilda, so pop them out first onto the chopping board.
This one looks like the easiest. Ooh.
Wow, that looks cool. Hold it up to the camera, and you can see the colours have mixed pretty well there.
It's like resin.
I like the resin we do. Hold that one for you. Okay.
Oh, big one.
Right, careful with the big ones, they don't snap. Right, let me do the big one, let me do the long one.
Yeah, you did the big one. To make sure that can snap. You know it can snap.
Of course it can. That big one's looking cool. It's got a little bit of turquoise in it as well.
Oh yeah!
Do you want to get them two out? Are you going to do them
I'll
too?
get these two.
Go for it. Done. Okay, so let's get this out of the way for you, Tilda. Put your paper into the middle there.
There.
So what are you testing? Which one are you going to test first on the paper? One of the big ones. That's like a wax crayon, isn't it?
That one.
Go on, give it a go and see how it draws. That's all right, isn't it?
We'll try the other side.
Try the other side. Oh yeah, that's fine, isn't it?
Purple and pink.
Let's have a go with the pink. A bit light in colour, aren't they?
Yeah.
But they were. Oh no, that's better. It's because you got to use it on that corner there.
Oh,
There you go.
the corners.
Look, not on the bottom corner, on that top corner there. There, like that. Not on that bottom corner, on that thick corner there. Give it another go. Ah, that's all right, isn't it? They look good. They work well. That's the Lego bricks.
I'm gonna do
Try-
a grape.
Try grape and a bunny, and then a turquoise bunny as well. Oh yeah, they're good. Brilliant. Try the turquoise. Oh yeah, they're good, aren't they?
Turquoise.
That works. So try that. Can I try that? Right. Oops. Ben? Alright. Huson. DIY. Okay, so Matilda's been testing them out. They're working great, aren't they, Matilda? Yeah, happy with them?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, so next thing to do, we're going to just wait for those other ones to cool down and we'll try and get them out of the moulds and see how they look. Okay, they've been cooling down now for well over half an hour, Matilda. Nearly an hour probably. So they're ready to pop out.
Yeah, because they were still hot.
They were hot, weren't they? So we'll move the camera down and we'll pop these out of the moulds now. Okay, go for it, Tilda. So remember, try and push the thing out.
Oh
Yeah?
forgot.
Like that. Push it out. Push it out. Then we carefully pull it off those things. Whoa! Hold the camera. Hold it up. Proper multicoloured them, aren't they? Okay. So there, some more Lego bricks. You want to pop out one of the Lego men?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll pop out mine because it's mine.
Right, so remember, try and push it from underneath.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Keep forgetting.
Right. No. Watch. I'll do one, you do the other. So just try and break it around the edges like that to separate it. And then push it up from underneath.
There's one underneath.
Oh.
Careful.
Right, careful, Zop. Right, now just pull it gently off. Has it worked?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Proper Lego man.
Lego wax crayon man. Does he stand up? And he stands up, Tilda, look.
Woo! I know.
Right. Okay, that's our first attempt at wax crayon wax crayon melts down to obviously into our moulds. It's gone pretty well. Obviously the thin ones we didn't get thick enough, so they're a bit too thin and snap, so the little moulds. Them little ones are probably a little bit too small for actually using as wax crayons. So the smaller moulds we've got probably could be good for resin. But the Lego bricks are awesome. The Lego men are even better. So we'll probably do some more videos on this, what, Matilda, yeah? But for now, anything, did you enjoy doing it, Matilda?
Yeah.
You enjoy doing it?
It's hard work on your arm.
Hard work on your arms. It is quite hard chopping things up in it and doing it, yeah. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And last thing, Matilda?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.